What are dealerships doing on the other side to show the positive reviews? If this is going to be a platform where someone can speak and use their voice and share their experience with emotions, which you can't do on a Yelp.
We want to be able to sell that customer another car in 3 years. And so we need to do everything we can to set them up for that. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you at least need to show them the best options for the customer. If they decide to go a super long term, if you don't sell them, sometimes someone else will, but as long as you're showing them the options and you're doing it in an ethical way, that's the biggest thing.
With Cox Automotive, we did a study on different demographics and who's buying the most cars. It's Gen X, it's millennials. They're the folks who are out there purchasing the most vehicles out there. Biggest pain points for them, financing. Applying for financing, figuring that out, understanding financing, all of that stuff. So the more transparent we can be, the more we can educate them, the more likely they're going to be to buy from them. The other thing is convenience. People want stuff right away. They don't want to be spending 2.5, 3 hours in a dealership buying a car because they got other things they want to do.
Jack, I can't give out points, but I'm giving you 10,000 for using the word bloody. I've been waiting all day to hear you say that. Let's go.
I was going to use the F-bomb, but I'm not going to. So I had to go down the English dictionary and use bloody instead. So
don't let anyone take away anything from that country that we gained our independence from, because if it wasn't for them, we would only use it attached to Mary.
That's a big turn off for dealerships. When an employee wants more, but they're not willing to actually do the action to get more, that's a tough one. That's a tough one for me, because you want people to want more, but you need them to want to do more.
I think you realize your dealership's not into you when a fresh up comes in the store and your manager takes it.
Yeah. The other easy one is as soon as you're off the group text, as soon as your manager takes you off the group text.
Or if you think there's only one group text.